And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Well, what an awesome way to start the week. This morning was quite cold, 8 in Colorado Springs as opposed to our average low of 19, but we rose to 48 for our high, about 3 degrees above average. In Pueblo today started at 9, rose to 50 degrees, a beautiful afternoon. We had lots of sunshine today, a very light breeze outside, and this evening is pretty nice. You can see downtown that any snow remaining on the ground has pretty much melted in the sunshine today. Folks are out enjoying their evening. It's 34 degrees at the airport, and so we are starting to cool off tonight. 20s and 30s right now. Eventually overnight, we won't be as cold as this morning. We'll drop into the teens for many of us, so that will also be seasonable for this time of year. And Tuesday afternoon is looking like a rinse and repeat kind of forecast. Mostly 40s along I-25. 40s or 50s in the eastern plains, upper 30s to low 40s in our mountains. Lots of sunshine and again light wind on Tuesday. So I would highly recommend getting your errands done on Tuesday or early on Wednesday, because our next storm system moves in Wednesday in the afternoon and evening. You can already start to see this storm taking shape. You can see some thunderstorm activity in Arizona, and this subtle clockwise motion, that's an area of low pressure that's moving onshore. It's originating fairly far south, and it has some warm air with it, plus plenty of moisture. So when it comes through Colorado, it's going to give us a heavy, wet snowfall, and we're not expecting to see frigid temperatures from this storm. Now, the storm track that it takes near the state is going to really depend on where we see the heaviest snow, or that will determine where we see the heaviest snowfall. Right now, we have the highest likelihood of seeing heavy snow where we have winter storm watch. Those are in blue, and they cover most of our mountain zones from about 6 to 10 inches. That'll be from Wednesday to Thursday. For the rest of us, we'll just have to wait and see if we get some winter weather advisories, which I do expect some of them to be issued. Starting Wednesday morning, snow in the San Juans and in the Four Corners region. Then we'll start to see that moisture pull into southeastern Colorado Wednesday night. A quick transition from rain to snow in the plains, snow up and down I-25 on Thursday morning. Then we'll start to see the dry air filter in behind this system by Thursday evening. So, as I mentioned, it will likely be a heavy, wet snowfall. So even 1 to 3 inches is going to be pretty tough to shovel, so keep that in mind as you make your plans, but that will also lead to plenty of slush on the roads, at least initially. I do expect the highest totals to be in the southern I-25 corridor, our southern mountains, but here in Pueblo, Canyon City, Colorado Springs, a solid 1 to 3 inches looks likely. And I will continue to tweak those totals as that storm track begins to take shape and become more certain. As we look ahead towards the end of the week, we are going to see a very nice rebound. 49 for the high on Friday, 50s for Saturday and Sunday. In Pueblo, upper 40s tomorrow, low 40s Wednesday. Nighttime snow will also help to cool us down, and we'll have a high of 37 on Thursday, 48 by Friday, 50s for the weekend. Canyon City, 46 for you tomorrow, low 40s on Wednesday, nighttime snow as well for you. Snow showers will start to dwindle by Thursday afternoon, and then 60s are in store for your weekend. Woodland Park, 30s for the next couple of days, upper 20s on Thursday with snow coming to an end, and then 40s from Friday onward.